All right, so kule short video le funa sibheke some definitions of acid based on the number of hydrogen ions that it can donate or it can produce, right? So according to Bronsted-Lowry or Lowry-Bronsted, we do know that an acid is a proton donor, right? So we want to check how many protons can a specific acid donate, right? So for example, we have hydrogen chloride, which is hydrochloric acid. So you can see with lana in a hydrogen A1, so it can only donate this one hydrogen proton or one hydrogen ion. It cannot donate two because E1, right? They are available now. So if the acid equals to donate only one, then we call it a monoprotic. We call it a monoprotic acid. Mono means one, it can only donate one, right? So this is an acid that can donate one hydrogen ion per mole of the acid. So if you take 1 mole of the acid layer, it can only donate one hydrogen, right? 2 moles, if you take 2 moles, then it means it can donate 2. So each and every mole of this hydrogen can donate 1, right? But what if an acid is capable of donating 2 hydrogen ions? For example, H2SO4, which is sulfuric acid, right? So this one, we call it a diprotic. This is a diprotic acid. And why is it diprotic? This is because it can donate 2 hydrogen ions per mole of this acid. So this is an acid that can donate 2 hydrogen ions per mole of the acid. So it means 1 mole of this can generate 2 hydrogen ions. And then what about 2 moles? It means it can generate 4 because I2, right? But each and every mole, it can be able to donate 2, right? So what if it can donate 3? For example, H3PO4, right? Phosphoric acid. So this is a triprotic acid. So what is a triprotic acid? So it means this acid can be able to donate 3 hydrogen ions per mole of the acid, right? But again, slow sikhuluma 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ukuthi what if it donate 10? Well, ayikho acid enjalo, or maybe khona, but then ngisho ukuthi angeke siloko siqhubeka sithi di, tri, what, quad. But then instead of doing that, we can say anything that produces more than 1, it means 2 upwards, right? We call it polyprotic. So polyprotic acid, it means poly means many. It can produce 2 or more, right? So we can just say an acid. So it means H2SO4 it's polyprotic. H3PO4 it's also polyprotic because it can produce two or more. That can produce two or more hydrogen ions or protons per mole of the acid.